Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Telegram. In the world of messaging apps, Telegram stands out as a popular choice among the best encrypted messaging apps. While there are Telegram rivals out there like Signal or WhatsApp, users often find themselves drawn to Telegram's unique features. This cloud-based instant messaging service offers a blend of security, functionality, and customization that sets it apart from its competitors. Whether you're looking for enhanced privacy, larger group chats, or the ability to share files of any sizes, Telegram might be the solution you've been searching for. First, you need to download the Telegram app on your Android, iPhone, iPad, or in your laptop. Go to the Play Store and search for Telegram. After that, register your phone number. Then enter the SMS verification code. Telegram may call your phone instead and enter your display name. And then the Telegram access your contacts. Using Telegram to send a message is as easy as selecting a contact and starting to write. Start a Telegram one-on-one chat. All communications are encrypted between your device and Telegram servers, and then between Telegram servers and your contact, but Telegram will be able to read your conversations. You can also create a new group by clicking on New Group and selecting multiple contacts from your contact list. Then Telegram has the ability to set up secret chats with your friends. To start a secret chat, tap the pencil icon, then tap the new secret chat. A secret chat matches the privacy and security of WhatsApp or Signal because the communications are fully encrypted from one device to the other, and Telegram will not be able to read your conversations. Your phone screenshots functionality will be disabled during secret chats, and messages sent during secret chats cannot be forwarded to other users. You also can't access a secret chat on a device different from the one you started it on. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.